Hey, what's up, friends? Buddy here. All right, so right here, I'm going to tell you guys about some benefits that you have from working from home. Then I'm going to introduce you to something that I'm a part of. So, if you're looking into working from home, doing research or anything like that, and you're trying to find a good work from home opportunity and find some benefits of working from home, then continue to listen, guys. All right, so, and I spelled benefits right there. I don't think it looks off. But anyways, these are benefits that you can have from working from home. Okay, so you don't have to pay for childcare. Okay, you can work from home, and I know childcare can be very, very costly. I'm a single parent of 5 children. I got 4 kids at home right now. You can be your own boss. Number three, you get to create your own hours. Four, you don't have to have a dress code. You can pretty much work in your PJs or work in anything at home. Number five, you're going to get more tax benefits than working a clock in, clock out corporate job. Okay, so there's a lot of tax benefits. You can use a lot of stuff as tax write-off, such as your cell phone bill. You can use your eating out on lunches and stuff. You can choose. There's a lot of different things. You can hire your children. You can use a lot of stuff as tax write-offs and you don't even have to be profiting from your home business. Number six, you can make money without having to search for another job. Seven, you don't have to have any background checks or drug screenings, so you don't have to worry about dealing with HR or anything like that. And number seven, you don't have to commute to work, so you're going to save on gas prices there. Number eight, you can start a home business for a very low cost, low investment. I I have some home businesses start as low as a one-time $10. So you can start for very low and have your own home business. And one that I didn't put in there is some of these home businesses they pay instantly 100% commissions, and there's some that pay residually, pay monthly. You get a quick return on your investment. So that goes with you can start for a very low cost. You can get your investment back as soon as having one person under you, one referral. So I know to start a Domino's franchise, it's like, I think it's around $75,000. And I think the average to get your return on an investment back from starting a franchise like that is like the minimum of 10 years. You get to choose who you want to work with. That's a good one because when you go to a job and you get hired, you don't get to choose who you want to work with. And I know sometimes in some cases that could be a big nightmare. So you get to choose who you want to work with when you have a work from home opportunity. In a lot of cases, you can do the task once and get paid over and over. So what I mean by that is, for instance, I do these YouTube review videos that I've done 1, 2, 3, 4 years ago, and I get paid over and over from doing those simple review videos that are still circulating out there in the internet world. Some work from home pay instantly, so you don't have to wait for your paycheck. So if you find the right work from home opportunity, you can get paid instantly in your account. So you don't have to wait for the HR or the accounting to issue you a paycheck. And this one got moved up above. That was my first one. I accidentally moved it down. You can save on gas with the high gas prices that are going up here in March 2022. You don't have to commute anywhere. Save on gas. You can find training to succeed in your home business just about anywhere with the internet. Okay, so YouTube is a search engine. You can find training on how to have more success with your business and how to prospect, how to recruit, and mindset and all that. You can find training, generic training that will apply to just about any home business on search engine, on Google, on YouTube. So with that being said, I want to introduce you guys to something. I'm going to go over to my next page here. Okay, so what I'm introducing you to is a direct mail opportunity. This is a postcard opportunity. It's valid in the U.S. only. And this is a free website that you get. This is called the Cash Building System Unlimited. Okay, so it says discover the number one system that is pocketing average people $25 to $3,500 in cash. Introducing the Cash Building System Unlimited. This is the presentation video. It's like a 3 to 5 minute video. You can watch that video. The link will be in the description. And this is the free replicated website that that anybody could use. Okay, so this has no personal selling, no product inventory to maintain, no answering questions, no hotel meetings to attend, no cold calling, no explaining to anyone, no chasing friends and family. You can just mail postcards with this opportunity and you can make money with this. So it's a simple way, proven direct mail postcard system that could earn you serious cash every week. So this is the postcard that you're going to get. You're going to get an individual ID number, and it's going to be, you're going to place that where it says ID number. And with the cash building system, there's 2 phases to this program. This is the phase 2, where it has $100 at level 1 all the way up to $5,000 at level 8. Okay, so this is the postcard that you send out, and when somebody joins this, you can join this through snail mail and send the money off to the admin. His name is it's JD Marketing, or you can start off with Cash App. So how you're going to start this at phase 1? Everybody starts at phase 1. It's $50 one time. And what you're going to get with that $50 is going to get 200 postcards and 200 names. These are going to be stickers that you put on the postcard. It has the label of the leads. That's the name of the person, their address. So typically, that's all you have to do is put your ID number on there, put the lead sticker on there, and you put postage on there and mail this off. You're going to get 200 postcards and 200 leads to start your business off. And what you're going to get in a matter of days is you're going to get a upgrade form where you can upgrade to phase 2 with this. You can even print this out right here. Okay, so let's go back up to that graph that I showed you with the postcard. Okay, so when you upgrade to phase 2, which is optional, okay, let's go back to phase 1. Phase 1, you start with $50. You get the 200 postcards and 200 leads. And every person that signs up, you're going to get $25 for every person that signs up. And if you want to make even more money with this opportunity, you can upgrade to phase 2. Okay, so that would be an additional. You can start off at level 1, which is $100, or level 2 is $500. There's an upgrade bonus when the members come in at level 2, where if you join at the $500 level, you're automatically going to get bumped up to level 3. Or if you start off at level 3, you get bumped up to 4, and so on. So this has a powerful compensation plan, guys. When you upgrade to phase 2, which most people do, you're gonna be coded to the sponsor. Your sponsor is the person that invited you to this opportunity. So for that example, that would be me. So when a member upgrades to level 2, phase 2, and they come in between level 1 to level 8, and somebody joins them, they're going to get $70 to $3,500 for each person that joins them. The sponsor is going to get $20 anywhere to $1,000. They get 20% commissions. You're always going to be coded to your sponsor in this, and the admin gets 10% on every commission that's from phase 2. So this is called the Cash Building System Unlimited. This is the free website that you're going to use, that you have the choice to use. I actually use a paid version that I got from my team leader, and I'm going to show you guys that website. I got it for a one-time $20, and with this free replicated website, it's not going to be coded to you. You're not going to have an individual URL. So you're going to have to inform people that join you to make sure that they put your ID number on here. I'm gonna switch over to my paid website, the site that I use. So I got this site from my upline. You can see it's the colors are a little bit brighter. It has the presentation page right here. So the members, people can come in, check it out, play the video, and they can see exactly how this works. There's also a video at the bottom right here that shows the sign up process. So this is going to show you how to sign up. So typically you watch that video, it's going to walk you through on how to get signed up and how to send the money off and how you can get started off to it quicker so you don't have any confusion on getting started. So when you get started, you're going to click this green button that says click here to sign up. Also, this has my individual ID number on my website. So when they go to the sign up process, they just got to put that ID number in there. And also, this has my personal cell phone number on here. So if anybody joins me with the Cash Building System Unlimited, they can contact me. Or if you have any questions, then you can do that too. This also has the text on how this works and all that, how to get started and how this works. Everybody starts off at the $50 mark. That's phase one, $50. You get 200 postcards, 200 leads. And then typically you just mail postcards out, guys. So you see how powerful this is. When you start mailing out postcards, you get those 200 postcards out, and that's not where you're going to stop at. Okay, you're going to get 200 postcards and leads to start off with, but you're going to want to keep on sending those postcards out. That's how you're going to start getting more leverage pay with this. And especially when you come in at this phase two, which is 100 all the way up to 5,000, you're going to be positioned to earn anywhere from $70 all the way up to 3,500 with this. And the sponsor is even going to get $20 all the way up to $1,000 with this. So just imagine getting a bunch of postcards out and your team members start mailing those postcards out. How many of these position number two commissions that you're going to get each time somebody joins your members? You're going to get paid for leverage work that you didn't do that your teammates are doing, and that's going to keep on happening. So at that, you're just going to want to keep on mailing out postcards, and the postcards are very inexpensive. I just purchased postcards this week. There were $25 for an additional 200 postcards and 200 leads. So I just had to go to the post office and get more postage, get stamps for those, and I sent them off. So this is a cheat-proof program, guys. It's 100% legit, legal program. It's been around for a couple of years, but it's by JD Marketing. It's called the Cash Building System Unlimited. And when you join me, you're going to be joining a team that's called the Mailbox Millionaires. So you're going to also have support of a training group along with a chat group. There's going to be a couple different training groups. There's the Mailbox Millionaires, and then there's another group you're going to be a part of. So you're going to have a lot of support with this. And then within that private Facebook group, there's a lot of different trainings. There's members that have drop cards and flyers that are already made out. You just have to put your ID number on there and send them out. There's different postcards that you can order on the page, and people are having huge success with this. And it's all you have to do is mail out a postcard. So you can typically you can do this offline only and just mail out the postcards, or you can do like I did and use the free website and do review videos on YouTube, and I even make posts on social media and TikTok and stuff like that to get people on board with me at the Cash Building System Unlimited. So, the choice is yours. If you want to just do mail out postcards, that is fine, but you do have the option to take advantage of technology and get a website, go out there and promote online. There's also training that you're going to get from Eric the Good Life Johnson. He has a full training page that you're going to be able to get your hands on by joining this team also. So there's a lot of bonuses that you're going to get for joining me and with the Mailbox Millionaires. You're going to get the private Facebook group, private chat groups. There's a lot of support and team training, and you're a part of a community when you're joining this opportunity. So if you guys are looking to make extra money from home without having to find a job, you don't want to commute to the job, you can be your own boss, create your own hours just by mailing off a postcard, then come check out the Cash Building System Unlimited. This is US only. You can join by mail. You get paid by checks and money order. And this is a very, very powerful opportunity, my friends. Legit. You can start as low as a one-time $50. I'm a part of a couple of different postcard opportunities, direct mail opportunities. One is US only, and the other one is worldwide. This is very, very powerful, guys. This is called the Cash Building System Unlimited. And so how you're going to get started is click that link in the description. I actually have a cell phone funnel that I have connected to my programs where you can text 360-298-9617, and you can have the link sent directly to your smartphone so you can check out this link. So if you guys have any questions, my number is 360-728-4747. You guys can send me a message or hit me up on Facebook, add me, send me a message if you want to find out more about the Cash Building System Unlimited. So with that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. And before you guys go off here, this is just a little bit of social proof. You see, this is a check from JD Marketing that's made out to me, Buddy Boome. And somebody came in and joined at the level 2, that's $350 mark. So I actually made $350 plus the $25 for them joining phase 1 and phase 2. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of social proof that this is real deal, and I'm actually making money with this opportunity. I made $350 plus when they came in at phase 1, $25. So I made $375 off of one person. What would an extra $375 do for you guys every week or every month? So at that, check out the link in the description, my friends. God bless. Thank you for watching.